Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the screen on an SM-R895U watch. So let's begin. What we're going to do first is we're going to apply some heat to the back housing. Once that's done, just make sure it doesn't get too hot, because then it'll just melt everything away. And what we're gonna do is take the 3-point screwdriver. It's gonna be 2.0 by 25 millimeter screwdriver, and we're gonna unscrew the 4 screws. We're gonna take this plastic pry tool, and we're gonna start prying down below. Gotta get them equal on all sides to make sure that it doesn't break. So what I mean by break is break this little edge into the actual housing, because they are dented in a little bit. And if you end up prying it just like this, it's gonna break the edges. So make sure the edges don't break. We're gonna take this plastic pry tool, unplug the ribbon. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna unplug all the ribbons, because we need to get all the way down into the screen. So we're not going to take the board apart or anything. What we're just going to do is pull the housing apart. So what you don't want to do is go against the ribbon, because then you'll end up breaking the ribbon here. What you want to do is go right next to the ribbon and pry up. And then on the opposite side, what you want to do the same thing. And what you want to do is just set that aside. And here's the screen. What we're going to do is just take our replacement screen. And what we're going to do is go backwards in steps now. And where the long ribbon's at, there's going to be a slot that you place it into the ribbon. And it's just going to clip right in. Make sure the buttons clip in really nicely, because if they don't, then what's going to happen is the buttons are going to break themselves, and it's not going to want to work. So now we just plug in all the ribbons. Now we're going to take the back housing. We're not going to put any glue around, because this is a brand new back housing and the seal is very good. It already comes with a seal that's pre-made on them, pre-stuck. So it's not cut anywhere, no damage anywhere. So, but if you do have an older watch that's a couple years old that needs a new seal, you're more than welcome to buy the glue and just apply it. What we're gonna do is clip it back in. On the button side, make sure that pin goes in first, and then on the speaker side, it'll just clip in. I'm gonna put the 4 screws back in with the Y screwdriver. All right, moment of truth. Awesome. And that is how you replace a screen on an SM-R895U watch. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.